In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch recorded shows on Hulu, so you can enjoy your favorite programs whenever it's convenient for you. Let's get started. Hulu offers a feature called My Stuff, which allows you to save shows and episodes for easy access later. To watch recorded or saved shows, open the Hulu app or website and log in to your account. Navigate to the My Stuff section, where you'll find a list of all the shows and movies you've added. If you're referring to DVR-like recordings, Hulu plus Live TV subscribers can use the Live TV tab to access the DVR library. From there, you can browse and watch recorded live TV shows or events. To record live shows, go to the Live TV schedule, select the program you want to record, and click the Record button. Recorded content will be stored in your DVR library for up to 50 hours, or more, with an enhanced cloud DVR subscription. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy watching your recorded shows on Hulu.